Hello and welcome. Welcome to our day 7 of Return to Joy. Thanks for joining. And it has been a really fun and exciting journey for all of us together. It's great in one way that we have gone through these 7 days, and today is our last day. And then we will move forward and play with joy in a bigger way for the entire planet, helping the planet, helping our families, helping our goals, visions, ideas, and everything. And then it's also sad in one way because we've been together, we've been playing together, we've been sharing together, and then we will go our separate ways now. But remember, we will stay connected in the hologram, so we can play together and continue to shift our realities and help each other. And maybe in some other plane, all of us are just sitting inside a movie theater watching all the personalities and wondering what the personalities are going to do next. And let's continue to have fun. So thanks for joining and playing with all these ideas and concepts. Moving forward, do remember to play with the Joy Matrix imprint. There's a lot of programming that's encoded in that matrix imprint, and you can jump inside it and play with it. The other thing is you can also use the matrix imprint for the entire planet. It has a three-dimensional environment and it's holographic, so that matrix imprint image could be gigantic and bigger than Earth. And then you can take the entire planet or focus or imagine or visualize taking the entire planet and gently dropping it inside the matrix imprint environment and allow the entire planet and all life on Earth to receive the benefits. So as we continue to play together, we will continue to raise our vibration and shift our reality faster. As you focus on bringing more joy and unlocking more joy for your life and for your family and for maybe for your city, your country, your neighborhood, do make sure to bring in a lot of these energies for the planet. And those of you who are playing with some of the holographic tools like Unlock Inner Joy, Restoring Our Abundance, Restoring Our Magic, Liquid Luck, play with these tools and programs for the planet too. Use them for the water bodies, for different cities, for different governments, then for the entire planet. Allow a joy vortex to spiral through every part of the planet. So as we collectively continue to go through these exercises and apply the ideas, we will create a bigger shift on the planet. The other thing is the exercises. So every week, do your best to, not do your best, every week, let's make sure that we schedule at least an hour to explore some of these ideas. And it could be a mixture of joy, abundance, love, healing, other things that you're looking for. And you can be bringing in different holographic tools, but certainly play at least for 1 hour a week where you bring in some of these energies and use some of the tools and some of the processes and focus on your vision of your reality. Focus on your vision of the planet. So let's help yourself, let's help each other, let's help the entire planet that includes all life on Earth, plants, animals, humans, non-humans, let's say water bodies, the land, everything, right? So as we bring in these energies, we can initiate some shifts for the collective consciousness and bring in joy energies for all the faiths, bring in joy energies for all the cultures, all the races, all the belief systems, bring in joy energies for all the political parties and all the governments. Don't send anybody your anger or judgment or hatred, because those energies empower others who are working with, let's say, things that we would consider to be disharmony or lower vibration. If you're angry at somebody, you're projecting certain idea and strong energetic focus toward them. And if that person or that group is not helping the planet and helping the collective consciousness, then that person is being even more energized. So let's send a lot of joy energies, a lot of love energies, a lot of healing energies, a lot of abundance energies for everyone, so that we can all connect more with our soul vision and we can collaborate more on Earth. So today, our exploration is about connecting with the cosmos and tuning into high vibrational cosmic energies. And those of you who have played with me in the past, you know that I'm all about stars. I'm about connecting with the stars, shifting reality with the stars, playing with harnessing the energies of the stars, because they help us so much. They take us to a world where, everything is possible. From ancient spiritual teachings to modern science to quantum physics, we know that we come from the stars. Scientists are talking about it. Stars, when stars go supernova, they give birth to different raw materials that we use every day. And different atoms of our body and of Earth were created at the heart of different stars. So stars help us unlock the unlock a lot of possibilities, and stars help us to connect with our origin. So as we begin to tune into some of the star vibration, you may notice that you are automatically connected or attracted to certain types of stars or to certain constellations, certain galaxies. Notice them and begin to tune in more. For today, for our exploration, we will connect with the power star and the knowledge star Vega. And it's in the constellation of Lyra, and Vega is considered to be a repository star, and it's a star of ideas and possibilities and solutions. It's a repository of events. So stars exist, or their consciousness exists beyond our three-dimensional or four-dimensional plane. They're not restricted by our timeline. So Vega actually has a repository of events that happened in our past and events that will happen in our future, and events that or possibilities that didn't happen, but what would be the outcome, because somewhere in some simulation that's happening. So Vega has a connection to all of those options. So when you connect with Vega and you tune into Vega's energy, you can look for solutions that will work for you. You can look for guidance that will work for you. You can look for bringing in Vega's energy for your path, for your agenda, for your future, for your ideas, for your vision, so that you can walk on a particular path that would take you where you would like to go with alignment in possibly the fastest and most harmonious and joyful way. Vega will have those options for you. It's up to each of us to tune in and to be able to use those energies and harness the power of Vega to shape reality. So our exploration today is about connecting deeply with Vega, tuning into Vega, and when you do that, open up your senses more. Imagine Vega, imagine maybe the bluish white light coming in from Vega. Imagine the mist coming in. Imagine the energy and information spiraling through all of your cells, your atoms and DNA. Imagine or visualize or know or feel those energies spiraling through your DNA strands, helping you to reprogram your DNA, bringing in a lot of knowledge and wisdom, helping you to shape your reality with a stronger vibration of light and energy. Allow Vega's energy to nourish you. It's almost like, you're having a delicious smoothie of Vega to give yourself a boost. So play with Vega in different ways and notice what happens and notice what shifts. When you notice different groups and maybe different companies around the planet talking about great things or coming up with new solutions or innovation or technology, bring Vega's energy for them so that they can be empowered more, they can tune in more, they can find solutions faster. And those solutions will help us individually and the collective consciousness and the entire planet. So it is really massive and huge and mega when you begin to play with the stars. And that's why I love to play with the stars, because they just take you above and beyond your three-dimensional, four-dimensional reality. Now think about looking up in the night sky and you're just seeing a blanket of stars. Immediately you will rise above all of Earth issues and you will get lost in the stars. So stars do that for us. So let's begin to tune into those energies and harness some of those star powers so that we can shape our reality in the way that is aligned with our higher soul vision, and we can bring in all these energies and possibilities for the collective consciousness and for all life on Earth. Let us begin our journey and exploration today. Gently close your eyes, focus on your heart, and begin to breathe in and out. Let's bring up spiraling earth energies from the center of Earth and allow these energies to come up through your lower chakras and your feet for grounding. And allow the spiraling rays of the sun to come down through your higher chakras and your crown. Allow these energies to spiral through you up and down, creating a vortex between the earth and the sun. Allow the energies to get stronger for you and notice your sensations. Let's now journey toward the power star Vega. Notice yourself approaching Vega and allow a gentle mist from Vega to come in and spiral through your cells, your atoms, your DNA, and your chakras and meridians. Let's get closer to Vega and notice yourself being drawn to a certain part of Vega. Send out a beam of light from your heart and send out a beam of light from your third eye region. Allow Vega to scan you and your consciousness and your soul journey. Let's focus on running a joy vortex for Vega. Begin to play with Vega. Tune into Vega's energy. Tune into the sound. Tune into the smell. Tune into your feelings. And notice with all of your senses. Simply tune in as Vega's energy and information flow through you. Allow Vega to bring you what you need. Allow Vega's light and information to spiral through your chakras and your meridians. Allow Vega's energy to flow through your neural network. Helping your connections to be more efficient. Begin a process to unlock what you need moving forward and to unlock more information about your life purpose, about your soul journey, and about your soul vision. Vega has all the information in the repository Simply tune in, and as you are ready, you will receive information from Vega. I'm noticing a connection coming in from the higher consciousness of Vega, and you're being presented a scroll. Open up that scroll and in your mind, look at it, tune into it, feel it. Whether you see the details or not, it's not important, but the scroll has a lot of information for your path and for moving forward. Ask yourself, if I could see the information, what would I see? Notice what your mind presents you. Run your fingers through the scroll and notice the energy and begin to integrate different energy matrices that are encoded in the scroll. As you are holding that scroll, connect with Vega's consciousness and communicate about your wishes, your goals, your vision, and what you would love to experience in your life. Express what you would love to receive moving forward. energy and information from the scroll to spiral through you and through every cell of your body and through your chakras and meridians and your entire being and your entire universe. I will also run unlock inner joy and allow those energies to spiral through you as you're integrating Vega's energy matrix and information from the scroll. Focus on your vision of a joyful life in a joy-filled planet, Earth. Allow the energies of joy and celebration and possibilities and guidance from Vega to spiral through every cell of your body. Absorb those energies and allow these energies to ripple through your entire soul's journey. Let's breathe in and out deeply and gently a few more times. Let's express your gratitude to Vega and to all who helped us today. Let's journey back to Earth in your present moment. Rub your hands together and gently open your eyes. Welcome back. That was powerful playing with Vega. That's why I love playing with the stars, because they take us to such a higher vibration and open up so much for us. It's just absolutely magical. So moving forward, as we wrap up our 7 days of exploration, please continue to play with the energies of joy. Keep using the Unlock Inner Joy holographic program. Keep using the other ones that you have, and tune into Vega's energy. Bring in solutions for the planet. Bring in energy of healing for the water bodies, for the land. Time to time, look at all the different days and what we have done and the exercises we have done together. The website will stay active for you, so you can bookmark it and just come back anytime and play with any of these exercises. And especially continue to play with the $2.1 billion one, where we had a lot of fun playing. Continue to spend that money, generate that money, and use it for your benefits, for the benefit of the planet, for helping different causes. So by doing that and by running a vortex energy of that amount of abundance, you will open up more and more of your abundance matrix, and you will allow more solutions to show up for the planet. And as you play more by helping different parts of the planet, you may notice that you're initiating processes where different people or groups or organizations will come in and start helping in those areas, or will come up with some new innovation or technology or ways to do things that we couldn't have done before. So as we play together, we create a lot of magic together. And let's continue to really look at how we can shift our reality faster, how we can create more magic faster, and how we can harness these energies of joy and magic and celebration and embody them in our lives for our realities and then for the planet. So then we create a ripple effect, and then we help give the entire planet a boost of joy and celebration energies. So let's continue to play with all these energies. Let's continue to play with the stars. There are different cosmic creation, spiritual alchemy, and other programs that I often do. Just look at what attracts you. Look at how you can go deeper with some of the stars and play with them more. And look at how you can continue to shape your reality more efficiently by playing with different tools and processes. So I wish you a lot of magic. Do continue to spread the word. It's a free program for everyone, and just send them the opt-in page so that your friends or community or anybody you think may be interested can sign up and receive their reminder emails and guidance and ideas. So look out for those. And certainly, make sure that you are staying connected with emails. Generally, every Friday, I send out a weekly magic tip with some ideas, some tips, sometimes videos and exercises. Stay connected with those, and let's continue to play together and shake the planet together. So I wish you a lot of magic. I wish you a lot of joy. I wish you a lot of love and healing. And, if you have any other questions, do email support@lifeharmonized.com. And otherwise, have fun playing, have fun designing your life, and let's continue to play with the stars and expand our senses a lot more and create a lot more magic and joy in all areas.